Hello everyone, welcome to this session. I was discussing about the different kinds of the simple machines. So in our previous videos, we were discussing about the pulleys. We saw the various types of pulleys and how we can calculate the mechanical advantage, rotation, the efficiency of these pulleys. Uh, so we've seen all this, how we can find the mechanical advantage, MA, the VR, and the efficiency of the these pulleys. So today let's move on to the other simple machine, that is the inclined plane. The inclined plane, this is the sloping plane surface, usually a wooden plank used to raise heavy loads by pulling or pushing them along the surface of the plane. And this is how it looks like. This inclined plane. Inclined plane is a sloping plane surface like uh, uh, kind of a simplifying machine that is usually a wooden plank that is there just used to raise the heavy load by pulling or by pushing them along the surface of the plane. So as you can see here, this man is pushing this kind of a load up to this other surface. So that's a simple meaning of the inclined plane. Now let's see the mechanical advantage of the inclined plane. The MA of the inclined plane is obtained simply as the ratio of the load to the effort, the general way of finding the mechanical advantage. And we're talking about the velocity ratio of the inclined plane. The VR of the inclined plane is obtained as the ratio of the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. But in the inclined plane, the load moves the distance equal to the height of the inclined plane. Therefore, the effort moves the distance equal to the length of the plane. Hope that's clear. So you can find the velocity ratio generally okay, by the ratio of the distance moved by foot to the distance moved by the load, but there's a simple change here whereby the load moves a distance equal to the height of the inclined plane, so the effort moves the distance equal to the length of the plane. And let's move on to application of the inclined plane. Here are some of the applications where this inclined plane is used. The inclined planes are widely used in the form of the loading ramps to load and unload goods on the trucks, ships, and planes. So here is the first use whereby they use the widely to unload and load goods on trucks, ships, and planes. The other one is that wheelchair ramps are there just to be used to allow people in the wheelchairs to get over vertical obstacles without exceeding their strength. So this is the other use, and the other one in escalators and slanted conveyor belts, also just other forms of the inclined plane. And in the funicle or cable railway, a railroad car is pulled up a steep inclined plane by using the cables, and that is a simple application of the inclined plane. Inclined planes are also allow heavy, fragile objects, including the humans, to be safely lowered down a vertical distance by using the normal force of the plane to reduce the gravitational force. So you can simply lower heavy, fragile objects from the high heights to the lower places. And last not least, the inclined planes are used in the aircraft evaluation slides, whereby it allows people to rapidly and safely reach the ground from the height of the passenger airline. So that's all I have for this session of that's briefly clear. We've talked briefly about the inclined plane. We've seen its definition, how we can calculate the mechanical advantage, velocity, and the efficiency, whereby the efficiency is generally from all the simple machines, MA over R over VR multiplied by 100. So that's how you can calculate the efficiency of the inclined plane. And we've seen the various applications of the inclined plane. I hope that's all clear. And thank you.